In this session, let us learn about machine learning linear regression. The term regression is used when you try to find the relationship between variables. In machine learning and in statistical modeling, that relationship is used to predict the outcome of future events. Linear regression. Linear regression uses the relationship between the data points to draw a straight line through all of them. This line can be used to predict future values. In machine learning, predicting the future is very important. How does it work? Python has methods for finding a relationship between data points and to draw a line or linear regressions. We will show you how to use these methods instead of going through the mathematical formula. In the example below, the x-axis represents age and the y-axis represents speed. We have registered the age and speed of 13 cars as they were passing a toll booth. Let us see if the data we calculated could be used in a linear regression. Start by drawing a scatter plot. See here, the result returns this. Import sci-fi and draw the line of linear regressions. See here, by writing and executing this code, the result returns this. See, one line was drawn here. Import the modules you need. You can learn about the matplotlib module in our matplotlib tutorial. You can learn about the sci-fi module in our sci-fi tutorial. Import matplotlib pyplot as plt from sci-fi import starts. Create the arrays that represent the values of the x and y axis. See, we have given some values. Execute the method that returns some important key values of linear regression. See, slope, intercept, rp, std underscore r, stats dot line regress xy. Create a function that uses the slope and intercept values to return a new value. This new value represents where on the y axis the corresponding x value will be placed. See here, giving def my function return slope into x plus intercept, run each value of the x array through the function. This will result in a new array with new values for the y axis. My module, the list map, my function x. Draw the original scatter plot, plt scatter xy. Draw the line of linear regressions, plt plot x my mod. Display the diagram, plt show. See here, enter we have written this code. This was explained there. R for relationship. It is important to know how the relationship between the values of the x axis and the values of the y axis is. If there are no relationship, the linear regression cannot be used to predict anything. This relationship, the coefficient or correlation is called R. The R value ranges from -1 to 1, where 0 means no relationship and 1 and -1 means 100% related. Python and the sci-fi module will compute this value for you. All you have to do is feed it with the x and y values. See the example, how does my data fit in a linear regression? See, by writing and executing, the result is 0, minus 0.75. By writing and executing this code, the result is minus 1.75 and so on. The result minus 0.76 shows that there is a relationship no perfect, but it indicates that we could use linear regression in future predictions, predict future values. Now we can use the information we have gathered to predict future values. Example, let us try to predict the speed of a 10 years old car. To do so, we need the same myfunc function from the example above. Writing and executing code using myfunc function, the result is 85.59 so on. The example predicted a speed at 85.6, which we also could read from the diagram. This is the diagram. Bad fit. Let us create an example where linear regressions would not be the best method to predict future values. These values for the x and y axis should result in a very bad fit for linear progression. See here, by executing this code, see the bad fit result returns this. And the R for relationship. Example, you should get a very low R value. See here, the result 0, by writing and executing this code, the result 0.013 indicates a very bad relationship and tells us that this data set is not suitable for linear regression. Okay friends, this is the end of part 8 machine learning linear regression. Next video let us learn about another topic, machine learning polynomial regressions. If you like our program, please like, subscribe and press bell icon for our next part video updates. Thank you friends. Meet you in next video. All the best.